You're wonky again.
Are we wonky?
I don't know why you're wonky, but you're wonky.
I'm wonky.
That's slightly better. Brushed up your acting skills?
Acting?
Yeah.
What, you want me to act Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday?
Basically, yes.
Yes.
Except it's
a Monday face today.
Monday and Tuesday.
It's Tuesday face tomorrow.
Sunday face.
Okay.
Sunday face.
Sunday face.
Ready?
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas! Welcome back to the marathon calendar session, except we're going to pretend that it's 3 separate days when you watch this.
It's Sunday.
It is. Technically, when they're seeing this, yes.
Yeah.
Do you want to do your present first? Caroline sent you presents. She sent me the pineapple ice cube moulds, which were hilarious.
Oh, they're brilliant. Yes.
Made me chuckle.
Yes, they're stowed safely ready to use.
Yes.
Ooh,
I'm fascinated to see what you've got.
Ooh, a book?
I thought it was a book.
Oh.
too much sellotape.
Can't fight my way into a package.
No, really not. Oh look, oh what fun. Oh!
I'm going to bleep that out because we can't share what this is until Tuesday.
It's a survival guide.
Oh!
Yes, a survival guide.
Bleep. Christmas gift.
We will share this Christmas gift when the reason for the Christmas gift has also been revealed. This is brilliant. Thank you so much, Caroline. And we will share this.
We won't be broadcasting that one.
Oh dear. So
Thank you.
Are you ready for 3 gins in one go?
You're a star. No, I won't be drinking them one in go, yes.
No.
I'm saving them all for January, more or less.
Okay, so day 22.
Lovely. What's that say?
Jinzu.
Jinzu.
Sounds Japanese.
Ginseng?
Jinzu.
Jinzu.
No, has it got ginseng in it?
I have
Ginseng.
no idea. It just says very little
You
on
know,
the bottle.
when they use aromat. Oh.
Yeah, J,
Yeah.
not
It
G.
says very little on the bottle.
Yeah, juniper. J for
June.
juniper.
Okay, my turn.
Yeah. Oh,
Look,
you've
I
got to
can-
have a lot of heat hunting there.
Yes, this is definitely buttons. Oh.
She can see one.
I poked a hole through the paper.
What is she like?
You didn't even get a squeeze on that one, I'm afraid.
No, no squeeze. Not even a little squeeze. Oh.
Oh, they're gorgeous.
Poinsettias.
Oh, they're lovely. Thank you so much.
Oh, they're brilliant.
I don't know what I'm going to put those on.
A Christmas dress or a Christmas cardigan or...
I might see if I can turn some of those into earrings, you know.
Oh.
They are gorgeous. Thank you so much. Right, Papa, day 22.
This is about spiders, this one.
Oh.
Nice. You like them?
Why are you looking at the clues, not the storybook? Read the story. You're just checking to make sure that there's no...
Yeah,
Oh, there is a
please
please turn the page. It's a very long story today.
I've just made the mince pies and then
Yes.
sour bread.
Sourdough bread.
Sourdough bread for Christmas.
Words are hard. You've been on the gin already?
No, no.
Yeah, Mum and I have a lot of errands to go and run this
Yeah.
morning. We went to the range the other day when I broke my shoe to buy a piece of furniture, and unfortunately we were 5 centimetres out because we didn't measure before we went. We guesstimated and we guestimated wrong. So we got to take that back.
I would have measured before I went.
Yes, well that's
We
'cause
nearly
you're
rang you up and
sensible.
asked you
We
to.
did, yeah. And then we've got to go to the RSPCA and drop off a bunch of bits and pieces that we've got that will not need to be used, but we want somebody to have them.
Yeah.
So yes, anyway, sorry, Dad's now ready, so hang on, I need to film. Come.
It's a tunnel and spiders.
I don't think I want to see this. Anyone with arachnophobia, look away now. Do I want to see this? Oh, there's no thing on the door. Oh, there's cookies in there. Cookies.
You won't find anything here alone. Follow 3 spiders to their home. Look inside to find your clue. It's narrow though. What should you do? Make the entrance wider if you dare. to find the answer hidden there.
Ooh. It says code middle, left, right.
Now you're inside, that can't be right. These tunnels are as dark as night. See those 3 candles on your table? Shine a light there if you're able.
Oh, yeah.
The tunnel's lit. Now find the clue. The answer is ahead of you. When I see it, I'll tell you. I saw...
Is he going to looking for the candles that Mum's already found?
No, not the candles.
I did wonder.
I saw a spider's web, but anyway, carry on.
Oh.
I know, I saw a spider somewhere.
You'd think you'd notice spiders. Oh! Gee, you're fluffers.
No. What, they're on these?
Yeah.
Can you see them?
That's so clever.
Just.
Because it's so not like you really, really, really wouldn't.
Notice.
Oh.
So what we meant to do with the spiders?
Tear open the slots.
Oh, and now we have to shine a light.
Ah.
It's not super obvious.
No.
I like where they're going with it, but it's not
Not
super
the right
obvious.
kind of torch, though.
Up 2, 4, 6.
Sure it's 6?
Positive it's 6.
Okay.
Well, we're destroying the box.
I do like the spiders. I thought that was very clever. Well, I liked that. Let me just show you how destruction that has occurred. We got there.
Yeah.
Interesting that there are candles up at the top there.
Yes,
Yeah,
they're
a
misleading.
little bit misleading. I do like where the spiders were.
Misleading.
Yes, so like I was saying, Mum and I are heading off to the range to return furniture and find some twiglets because Papa didn't seem to find twiglets the other day, which we will go look for. Then we're going to the RSPCA to drop off bits and pieces for them and let them know how Max and Izzy are doing. And then we're coming home and... Oh, we've got to go and see one of your ladies to drop off.
Do that on the way.
On the way. And then I'm going to come home and see if I can finish the 8577 today. What are you up to this afternoon?
I don't think there's going to be time, but we're going out for this evening.
Oh, so I need to get myself food for this evening as
Right.
well. Okay. What about you, Papa? You're painting.
I'm painting.
You're painting. Oh, I noticed...
No, he's hanging pictures.
No, I'm not. I'm...
And lights, Christmas lights.
He's there we go. So, and then you're painting.
Then he's painting.
Okay, well, on that note, I'm gonna go because we've got lots to do, and then we will be back tomorrow for more calendar goodness and road trip fun. So I shall see you then.
Bye.
Cheerio. See you soon.
We have a Maximus. And we have an Iskiaka. They have found new places to sleep or watch the outside world. Neatly organised kittens, 1 blanket each. We are back from errand running and it is 4:30. I have had some Marmite toast before I came down here to chat to you guys, so you know there has been a little bit of sitting down occurring as well. I think you can probably hear my laptop in the background as well. It is attempting to render today's Vlogmas to get that up for 6 o'clock this evening. I am going to try and work on the 8577 because I would really like to get that finished, and if I manage to get that finished I will have completed 11 of my Make 18, so only 7 behind. Oh dear, it'll be totally fine, totally fine. Totally fine. Technically, if I get this 8577 completed, I'll have 11 finished, like I say, so that's 2 more than 1 Make 9 would have been. I do make myself laugh, but as I have mentioned before, I love the planning stage of things, so it's not the end of the world. Right, I'm going to get the interfacing cut out and face my facings, of which they are these, and this is my zero waste project as well, so I've gone right up to and across the selvage. I can do that with this one because the selvage is not putting any tension on the fabric. It's not like bringing it in and making it slightly warped, so I don't need to worry about it being too tight or pulling anything off grain. I've also checked that this writing doesn't show through the layer of interfacing, lining and then outer fabric that there is between this and the dress, so I won't have like writing down one side. Also, it is the, oh no, it is the crossover, is it? No, it's the side that goes underneath. So this is the side with the buttons get sewn onto, so it will also be kind of like the one underneath the wrap over as well, so it will have even more layers of fabric on top of it. I kind of liked the idea of having that on the inside of my dress as well. I thought it would look quite cute, so there was conscious decision in making this, because otherwise I was cutting the selvages off and they've all gone into the dragon. So yeah, I'm gonna get that done now. Oh no, I'm not, my video's rendered, so I'm gonna get the video uploaded and then I'm gonna get that done.
A few moments later.
It is 2 minutes past 7 and I have a finished bodice. I totally could sew this to the skirt and the skirt lining and get that bit done tonight, but I'm hungry and I have to cook my own dinner this evening because mum and dad have gone out for dinner with friends. So I'm gonna call it a night for today. I'm sorry it's been such a quick one. We really didn't expect the errands to take as long as they did, but it is what it is. So I hope you've enjoyed the little bit I have filmed today, and I'll be back tomorrow for travel vlog as well as calendars and also some big bird and possibly even a small girl type creature, which is very exciting. So I shall see you all then. Bye!